Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far.
We arrived at our latest location, which is Big Major's spot, and we're here at an anchorage. And there's several super yachts. People are anchored way out there. It's perfect temperature today, and the wind's blowing 13 to 15 knots. So many little islands. And here they are. Look at him.
Nothing.
We don't have anything for you, little piggy. Actually, he's pretty big. Hello.
Skinny though.
Yeah. Look at him. He just snorted at me. That was me the last one, but first one was him.
These are wild.
Yeah, they are.
Look how big that one is.
Yeah.
It's like a monster.
Wild. There's more up there. Pretty cool. Oh, this looks like a mama. Okay, I'll come look. Look at your little baby. Aw. Oh, wow. Wow, look at them all. Aww. Aww. And they're sleeping. This is one of the tour boats, and the pigs are swimming right up to them. Aww.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Oh, look how little. Aww. There's a pig coming back to the shore, and he has a carrot in his mouth. Hi, piggy. This is a pretty big one. Bodie. Now he's walking away. There he is. Bodie. Hello. And the water is so incredibly clear. So it looks like a swimming pool. So there's grasses down there. We had 2 sharks that were hanging out here again yesterday. I was hanging some clothes on the lines here after we went snorkeling, and they were hanging out. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna sign off now and play with the dog. We've got a shark right off the back of our boat. We were just getting ready to put the motor in. Our dinghy's right here. Wow. We think it's a nurse shark. He's pretty big. He's got to be, what, 6 feet?
I don't know. Probably.
Ooh, he's circling our dinghy. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, I just got goosebumps. He's swimming right towards us. We're just on the back of our boat right now. Oh my gosh, you can see his gills and everything. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, look at his eye and everything. Wow.
He probably thinks we're fishing or something.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Yep.
He's looking for something. He won't stick around too much longer now that he knows there's nothing to get.
Oh, that's so incredible.
We're okay.